Hello, Uptown Swing, level 2. We're working on Tandem Charleston this month. We're right in the thick of it. You guys did a great job. We did 2 brand new things today and we did a lot of reviews. The brand new things are once we're in tandem, we learned how to get out. One way to get out. Yeah, so we'll do 1 basic.
7 up, 1 back, 3 out. And we'll do basic and then do it, yeah?
Sounds good.
Okay, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
You can kick step out of it, you can triple step out of it. We talked about that. I jumped the gun in this one, but
and then we also did another thing. We did a little turn.
Quarter turn.
Yeah.
Yep.
So we'll do it maybe on the angle.
Sure.
Actually, let's do it this angle.
From a basic, so we'll do 1 basic on top.
Yeah.
5, 6, 7, 8, 1.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Prep and go.
And kick.
And back.
And right back to basic. That's what we did. You did a great job. We'll see you next week.
Leaders want the leaders to do this one thing real quick. So I'm going to show the footwork for this S turn. I do a basic 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then I'll do it this direction so you can see.
This is your thing you can practice on your own
5,
leads.
6, 7, 8. Basic. Now the S turn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3.
You got it. Thanks, Jeremy.
See you next week.